Got you. Oli olis. Hey guys, new month, new hair system. Got you. So I wanted something really short because look, summer's right here and it already feels really hot in the south. So we already know we use this French lace all the way around, and we both know that it is hot and we need something breathable. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a fantastic product. Easy to go and easy to put on. How quick and easy and related. Like, this is something that I know that a lot of you have asked, how short can you go? I think this is the best and shortest part. If you kind of grow this out on the sides, it's perfect. I like it short and ready to go. Okay, so this is another question you guys ask me a lot. And it is very simple. What I do is put glue, but this is something I said in my other video and I want to make it very clear. If you're going to go out Friday or Saturday, this is the perfect time to go do it the day before you go out. So the reason I say that, so if you're going out on the weekend, do it Thursday the night before. If you're going out Friday, if you're using glue, which I recommend Ghost Bond glue, she's been through a lot, so excuse the dirtiness. But if we're gonna do a thin layer, and I normally don't like to apply a lot, I'll put it at the very top of the front and just do a thin 2-3 layers. The reason I do that is because I want this to adhere the first day, and I want this to stay. I'm really not going anywhere, so I don't really have to get ready for that, but I will make sure that that dries. I'll take a shower the night before, put the glue in my hair system the night before, so then it can cure really well. So once that's up, then now let me show you. Look how easy it has already dried. Now we want to add tape to this. So give me a minute. Let me start adding the tape and I'll show you in just a second. I'll be right back. Another thing I want to show you before I continue to put my tape or my hair systems together is that you can go to Lordhair.com and you can get different types of hair tape. They have a variety of tapes, so it's almost like a one-stop shop. They can also style your hair if you like. So if you just have the need to buy everything all at once, they're your place to go. So I'm gonna use this hair tape today, and then let me just try it out. I'll be right back so I can put it on my hair system. So now I've had it hair tape all throughout this. It is a very simple to apply tape. You want to make sure that when you're putting the hair system, I go from corner to corner. As you can tell, there's like a dip here, and then you know that that's the back part. It is usually very easy. I go now back to front. Let me show you now how simple. I lightly put it. I want to know how I'm going to place it in the front, and you can already start seeing that it's going to adjust pretty well. Wow. Look how simple that was. Look how easy. And once you apply the tape, you start pressing down and massage it in all the spots. And look how easy it is. Look how, this is how ready it almost is. I'm just going to blow dry just a little bit to show you that you can just put it on and go. Simple, 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 right? Give me a moment. This is how easy it is. All I had to do was blow dry just a smidgen on the side and ta-da. That's how simple it is. You can add a little bit of hair gel, whatever it is to your hair system, as comfortable as you want to be. But this is how easy it is to apply your hair system and go. You can't tell me that doesn't look natural and ready. I like short hairs in the summer, and I think you will too. This is one thing about Lordhair that they'll do, is that they'll also style it for you as long as you're willing to work together. Styling is something that I love about them. I sent them a picture of what I wanted, and this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something short, ready to go for the summer. That's how natural it looks. I love it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Write it in the comments. Share it with me. Share your experiences with me as well, because it makes me happy to hear that you guys are also feeling comfortable enough to wear a hair system and say, I love how I look. Dame un besito. I gotta go. Also, if you want any of these hairs and you have a question on which one this one is a French lace at the base. And then you just pick your color. Okay, thank you. Dame un besito. Bye.